What is everyone? I'm today we're playing Snoring. No idea what snoring is, but we're gonna try it out. Elephant, rumbling, snores, defend. Snores, defending. Help wake him up, okay? Try clicking the owl. Okay, nice. Just click the owl. Wake up the owl. Wake up the snow. Oh, okay, this is the end of the game. Oh, that's what's supposed to happen. It's cool. Next game. Zebras are jumpy. Nice. That's good now. Boom. Go to G. That boom. I don't know. It just said zebras are jumpy. What the heck? Oh, I think we're supposed to roll the pig and try to do that. Zebra. Boom. Hit at the pig. Yeah. Fall over. Elephant. Click to roll the cow, then click again to stop him. That's a creepy laugh.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
This is a bump zebras. It's about. Oh, okay. This is literally just like a zebra the game. It's like, there's like, what? Uh-oh. Penguin's been away. Penguin's been on another person.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
I've actually never played this game, or I have, but not that much of it. There's 3 of these, so I'm probably gonna play all 3 of these games. Easy animals' abilities. Okay, I think this is supposed to be a puzzle. This is a puzzle. Good to know, good to know, good to know. The microphone's like right in front of my face. So, boom, let's see if we can bump the out. That's cool. It's nice. I think this is how it's supposed to go. Okay, that's nice. That's cool. That's cool. So pig is like the little roller right here. Owl. Oh, okay. Play. The owl. Boom. Jump the thing. Boom. Bounce on the pig. Oh my god, I can't bounce on the pig. Okay, so once pig gets about ready to kill. Boom, boom. Go, what? Come on, what am I supposed to do? Oh my god. So hard, what am I supposed to do? Time? I only have this much time left? Oh, come on, what the heck? Okay. Boom. There. Dude, why did it take so long? It took like 2 minutes. There's a lot of time when you only get like 10 minutes to record. Okay, let's just go like... Okay. Listen. I guess the owl's like the first one you're supposed to move. I guess. See? Crud, knock him over. Boom. Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes. Knock him over, 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 come on. Yes. Bye, elephant. You just killed 3 giraffes. It's nice. They're too bad. How did they even get this high up? Like, seriously, what even is? Boom, get a hold. Come on. Okay, so that one was a little. That one was based on leverage. So you had to get the big cow, the little pig to get the big cow, but get the big kid along. Boom, timing. Timing. Okay, timing's my friend here, you see. Okay. It's all about timing, you see? It's all about timing. Come on! It's a flower, I'm gonna drop it. I guess it's a flower. Boom. What the heck? Am I supposed to bounce the owl? Okay, first of all, the pig doesn't even go. Then I'm gonna have to bounce the owl off of the pig. Okay, I have no idea how to do this level. Dude. God, dude, I'm getting so frustrated with this game. Dude, how do I knock the guy off? What the heck? The pig won't budge, dude. Boom, knock it. There! Oh my god, trying to leave. It's like, it took me like 9 tries to do that one. Like, wow, okay. Okay. Really? No way. There. Come. Get him up. Yes. Standing up just then. It's gonna have to be the end of this video. Sin. Nope. Now, boom, hit it. Okay, I'm just gonna delete this video here. I'm gonna go back to the beginning, exit to the beginning. Yeah, I did all these. But yeah, that's it for this video. If you guys like to make sure to smash that like button, and I will see. Make sure to punch that button, grind the chest, and I'll see you guys next time.